So guys, I need a break for tomorrow because 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 my mom's going to work right now and he needs the phone, so I cannot vid when I'm home. And it's 2:50 because when it's 3 he needs to go to work. That's why I can't bid because he needs the phone to work. So I need to break. I will just video tomorrow because I don't have school tomorrow. Sorry for the burp. And like and subscribe if you want to see more videos. And Niana, if you're watching this, I have a crush on you. Bye. Teacher, don't look at this. Huh? Okay. My viral screen.